Well guys, on today's video, we're going to cut and install the ceiling joist on the classroom addition to the VanPa Barn. If there's time left, we're going to get up there and sheet it with OSB above it. Let's get with it. We have used up the last of the reclaimed lumber, so we've had to go and purchase some ceiling joists for the rest of this. Needed some 12-foot stuff. What you're gonna see us put up is treated lumber. And the reason being, number one, it's cheaper than any of the SPF lumber at the time. And if you watch me, you've heard me say all the time about being a good steward of what the Lord gave us. Well, after all, we're building this camp, this ranch with God's money, so we're gonna save every penny that we can and be good about it. And plus, number two, I like pine for structural lumber, and we're treated. You know you're getting good pine because it's yellow pine. And any off-gassing concerns, I don't have any, because it's above the interior envelope of the drywall, and any off-gassing that they may be is gonna go up. And I really think with the chemicals they use nowadays, you're not gonna get much for that anyway. But there we have it. We just need to get back up here cutting and get on the scaffold and get it installed. Now that we got all the ceiling joists installed, we're gonna get up on top of those joists between them and that metal roof and put down the OSB decking. The Lord's blessed us with a semi-cool day, so it's a good time to get it done. Well guys, as you can see, we got the OSB on top, so we're sealed from the elements. It helps keep the rodents out of the insulation. and gives us a little room for storage up there if we choose to. So it's been a good day. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
And as always, God gives the glory for the good in our lives. Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior. We got roosters for sale. Contact us at the email below with any questions or prayer requests. Thank you and God bless.